In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to silence notifications on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option notifications. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find different apps. Now from here you can disable notification for any of the app. All you have to do is launch the app for which you want to disable notification. Then toggle off for the option allow notification. If you want to completely silence notification from all these apps, you can open each of the app and disable for the option allow notifications. Likewise, you can head back. Now launch your control center. Here you're gonna find this bell icon. Click on it. Once it turns red, you have enabled silent mode. Now you won't receive any notification. Likewise, you can enable do not disturb mode. For that, click on the option focus, click on do not disturb. With these settings, you have just silenced notifications on your device. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.